भारत माता की भारत माता की भारत माता की
Freedom in the mind, faith in the words, pride in our hearts, memories in our soul. I extend my sincere gratitude and warm welcome to guest of honor, Mrs. Parmeshwari Ma'am, Chief Guest of the ceremony, Squadron Leader Naresh Kumar, Principal, Sainik School Chandrapur, and I owe my heartiest welcome on the behalf of Sainik School Chandrapur to distinguished guests, of course, all Ajankians, ex-students of Sainik School Satara and their family members, other dignitaries, parents, cadets, and all gathering of today. As we have gathered today to celebrate 74th Independence Day, on this occasion of great pride and honor, I take my immense pleasure to wish you all a happy 74th Independence Day. Let's begin the day with a beautiful cultural program depicting India's tradition, and culture, including diverse nature of Indian society. Patriotic song gives feeling of patriotism among people and provide strength and stability. People can be totally different, but when it comes to their compassion to their country, then they stand with as one. With this, I'd like to ignite the day with a patriotic song by Cadet Kartike Mishra from class 7. Kartike Mishra from class 7.
Cadets, parents, and guests, kindly pin the account Vinod Mishra. Kindly pin the account Vinod Mishra in Google Meet. Kartike,
Good morning to everyone present over here, Honorable Principal Sir, Senior Master, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. I, Cadet Kartike Mishra, roll number 34 from class 7B, is standing in front of you to sing a song. तलवारों पे सरवार दिए, अंगारों में जिस्म जलाया है, तब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है। ऐ मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे न रहे। ऐ मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा, जिस्म से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहराओ, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। सरसों से भरे खलियान में जहाँ झूम के भंगड़ा पा न सका, आबाद रहे वो गाँव में जहाँ लौट के वापस जा न सका। ओ वतना वे मेरे वतना वे, तेरा मेरा प्यार निराला था, कुर्बान हुआ तेरी असमत पे मैं कितना नसीबों वाला था। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहराओ, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। ओ हीर मेरी ओ हंसती रही, तेरी आंख घड़ी भर नम ना हो, मैं मरता था जिस मुखड़े पे कभी उसका उजाला कम ना हो। ओ माई मेरी क्या फिक्र तुझे, क्यों आंख से दरिया बहता है। तू कहती थी तेरा चांद हूँ मैं, और चांद हमेशा रहता है। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे फसलों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
Thank you, Kartike. What a lovely performance indeed. Now presenting group song by the staff of Sainik School, Chandrapur. was really a wonderful patriotic song sang by Sessian staff. Now, I would like to call upon the virtual stage Cadet Shreyas Parande from Class 7 for delivering English speech.
Cadets, parents, and dear guests, please pin Shreyash Parande, the account of Shreyash Parande in Google Meet. Shreyas,
Good morning to everyone present or respected principal sir, guests, parents, and all my dear friends. I am Cadet Shreyas Vijay Kumar Farande, roll number 29, is standing over here to give you speech on Independence Day. Today is an auspicious day for all of us. It is an auspicious day for all the citizens of India. Today is Independence Day and has been mentioned in the history forever. It is the day when we got freedom from the British rule after too many years of hard struggle by the great freedom fighters of India. We celebrate Independence Day every year on 15th August to remember the first day of the freedom from the British rule, as well as to remember the sacrifice of the freedom fighters. India got independence on 15th August 1947 from the British rule. After independence, we got our all fundamental rights in our own nation and motherland. We all should feel proud that we are born in an independent India and admire our fortune that we took birth on the land of independent India. History of slave that India reveals everything that how ancestors and forefathers had worked hard and suffered all the brutal behavior of Britishers. We cannot imagine here by stating the how hard work that was to bring India independent from the British rule. It took sacrifices of many freedom fighters and several decades of hard struggle from 1857 to 1947. An Indian soldier, Mangal Pandey, in the British rule, has raised his voice against British rule for the freedom of India. Like Mangal Pandey, there are many such heroes. They are Mahatma Gandhi, Sarojini Naidu, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Lokmanya Balagangadhar Tilak, and many more. For them, I want to sing a few lines in Hindi. इन वीरों के बलिदान से चमका हिंद वतन का तारा, इन वीरों के बलिदान से चमका हिंद वतन का तारा, प्रणाम ऐसे वीरों को सौ सौ बार हमारा, प्रणाम ऐसे वीरों को सौ सौ बार हमारा. We are so lucky that our forefather had given us land of peace and happiness, where we can sleep the whole night without fear. We have full rights to choose our government and enjoy the largest democracy in the world. Yes, we are free and have complete freedom. However, we should not feel free from the responsibilities towards our country. The country we should be always ready to handle any emergency condition in our country. I want to say a few lines in English. I am proud to be an Indian. I am proud to be an Indian. We are proud to be the Indians. We are proud to be the Indians. It's a country of a powerful army. It's a country of a powerful army. It's a country of strong soldiers. It's a country of strong soldiers. It's a country of great leaders. It's a country of great leaders. I am proud to be an Indian. We are proud to be the Indians. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Thank you, Shreyas. Showcasing a talent is an art. Showcasing a talent is an art, and witnessing art is a caliber. With this, now presenting musical instrumental display by the cadet Harsram Prakash from class 9.
cadets, parents, and guests, kindly pin Ram Prakash Keshkar. Kindly pin Ram Prakash Keshkar. Cadet Harsh.
Good morning, teachers, principal, and honorable guests. I am Shishkar, roll number 124, presenting the song Ye Mere Watan Ke Logo on keyboard. So let's begin. Thank you.
first Ram Prakash for your melodious performance. Now this is the time for next instrumental display, that is Tabla Baja by cadets Akhilesh Pardesi from Standard 7.
Cadets, parents, and guests, kindly pin Akhilesh Pardesi as account in Google Meet. Kindly pin Akhilesh Pardesi. Yes, Akhilesh. Akhilesh. Akhilesh, please turn on your camera. वो रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं कर रहा है सर.
Cadets and audience, due to some technical issue, Akhilesh will perform later on. Now moving further, we dance for laughter, we dance for tear, we dance for madness, we dance for fear. Now presenting Cadet Pritam Saha from class 7 with his energetic dance performance.
Cadets, parents, and guests, kindly pin Pritam Saha. Kindly pin Pritam Saha. Pritam.
बोल बरं काहीतरी. हा.
Thank you, Pritam. Your performance was really very well, but due to some technical and poor internet connectivity, it was not coming clearly, but somehow it was good. Now, this is the time for Tabla Vadan. May I request Cadet Akhilesh Pardesi from class 7, please display your talent.
Cadets, parents, and guests, kindly pin Akhilesh Pardesi.
Yes. Daddy.
Akhilesh.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Cadet Achilles, roll number 33, standard 7th, Sainik School, Chandrapur. I wish Happy Independence Day to one and all. On the occasion of the 74th Independence Day of our country, today I am performing solo tabla, Tal Tri Tal,
Tabla, the centuries-old Indian classical percussion instrument, creates the music and sound of happiness. As we all are celebrating our Independence Day, let's celebrate it with musical happiness. I thank Honorable Principal Sir, respected teachers and staff of SSCN for their encouragement. I also express my sincere thanks to my Guru, Sri Vijay Dastane Sir, for his extreme efforts in training me for this solo tabla performance in absolute minimum time. Tal Tri Tal. कैमरा ओपन
Akhilesh, mute the mic.
Thank you so much, Akhilesh, for your wonderful and spectacular performance. Now, let's welcome Cadet Vedant More from class 7 for Tabla Vadak. Vedant More, please.
Good morning to all of you. Present over here. Honorable Principal Sir, respected teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. I am Cadet Kumari, standing before you on the occasion of 74th Independence Day. Thank you.
Give huge round of applause for Cadet Vedant More. Poem reflects the imagination. It also brings soothing feeling and spreads the fragrance of love and satisfaction. So here, now presenting Cadet Tejas More from class 6 with Hindi poem.
Cadets,
Good
parents,
morning
and
to the
guests.
respected guests, teachers,
Morning, sir.
Yes, Tejas.
Good morning to the respected chief guest, principal sir, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. आज इस स्वतंत्रता दिवस पे मैं आपके समक्ष एक कविता लेके प्रस्तुत हुआ हूँ। कुछ नशा है ये तिरंगे की आन का, कुछ नशा है मातृभूमि के मान का, कुछ नशा है तिरंगे की आन का, कुछ नशा है मातृभूमि के मान का। हम लहराएंगे तिरंगा, नशा है हिंदुस्तान की शान का, नशा है हिंदुस्तान की शान का। मैं भारतवर्ष का अमिट सम्मान करता हूँ, यहाँ की मिट्टी का गुणगान करता हूँ। मैं भारतवर्ष का अमिट सम्मान करता हूँ, यहाँ की मिट्टी का गुणगान करता हूँ। मुझे चिंता नहीं स्वर्ग जाके मोक्ष पाने की, तिरंगा हो कफन बस मेरा यही अरमान रहता है। सीने में गोली खाके हंसते हंसते मरने वाले कारगिल का हर जवान देवता समान, कारगिल का हर जवान देवता समान, कारगिल में लड़ने वाले तुझे प्रणाम। खुश नसीब है वो लोग जो इस वतन पे मिट जाते हैं, मर के भी वो लोग अमर हो जाते हैं। करता हूँ तुम्हें सलाम ए वतन पे मिटने वालों, हमारी हर सांस में तिरंगे का नसीब बसता है। जो अब तक ना खोला वो खून नहीं पानी है, देश के काम ना आया वो बेकार की जवानी है। जो धर्म पे मिट मिटा बस वही महान है, जो धर्म पे मिट मिटा बस वही महान है। इतनी सी बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, इतनी सी बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, रोशनी होगी चिराग को जलाए रखना, रोशनी होगी चिराग को जलाए रखना। लहू देकर की जिसकी हिफाजत हमने, ऐसी तिरंगे की हमेशा दिल में बसाए रखना, दिल में बसाए रखना। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Thank you, Tejas. Now this is the time for delivering Hindi speech by Cadet Ruturaj Mane from class 6.
Everyone, kindly pin Yogesh Manu.
नमस्कार, मैं सूरज विश्वाने सैनिक स्कूल चंद्रपुर का तृतीय कक्षा का विद्यार्थी हूँ। आज मैं यहाँ 15 अगस्त के शुभ अवसर के बारे में मेरे विचार प्रकट करना चाहता हूँ। मेरे आदरणीय अध्यापकों, अभिभावकों और मेरे प्यारे मित्रों को मेरा नमस्कार। इस महान राष्ट्रीय पर्व को मनाने के लिए आज हम सब लोग यहाँ इकट्ठा हुए हैं। जैसे कि आप सभी लोग जानते हैं कि स्वतंत्रता दिन हमारे लिए एक मंगल अवसर है और राष्ट्रीय त्योहार भी है। ये सभी भारतीय नागरिकों के लिए एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण दिन है तथा ये इतिहास में सदा के लिए उल्लेखित हो चुका है। ये वह दिन है जब भारत के महान स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों द्वारा वर्षों के कड़े संघर्ष के बाद हमें ब्रिटिश शासन से आजादी मिली है। और हम इस आजादी को याद करने के लिए हर साल 15 अगस्त को हमारा स्वतंत्र दिन मनाते हैं और साथ ही साथ उन महान स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों के कुर्बानी को याद करते हैं जिन्होंने अपने देश के लिए अपने प्राणों की आहुति दे दी। ब्रिटिश शासन से 15 अगस्त 1947 में हमें आजादी मिली। आजादी के बाद हमें अपने राष्ट्र और मातृभूमि में सारे मूलभूत अधिकार मिले। हमें गर्व मानते हैं कि हम भारतीय हैं और हमें अपने सौभाग्य की प्रशंसा करनी चाहिए कि हम इस आजाद भारत की भूमि में पैदा हुए हैं। गुलाम भारत का इतिहास सब कुछ बयान करता है कि कैसे हमारे पूर्वजों ने कड़ा संघर्ष किया और फिर वे क्रूर यातनाओं को सहन किया। हम यहाँ बैठकर सोच भी नहीं सकते कि ब्रिटिश शासन से आजादी कितनी मुश्किल थी। इसमें अनगिनत स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों के बलिदान और 1857 से 1947 तक जो दशकों का संघर्ष रहा है। भारत की आजादी के लिए सबसे पहले ब्रिटिश सेना के खिलाफ आवाज ब्रिटिश सेना में काम करने वाले अधिकारी मंगल पांडे ने बाद में कई महान स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों ने संघर्ष किया और अपना जीवन आजादी के लिए दे दिया, जैसे कि भगत सिंह, राजगुरु, सुखदेव, महात्मा गांधी, खुदीराम बोस, बटुकेश्वर दत्त, उधम सिंह, वासुदेव फड़के, पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू, सुभाष चंद्र बोस, ऐसे कई सारे स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों ने तो अपने कम उम्र में देश के लिए लड़ते रहे। गांधी जी ने, महात्मा गांधी जी ने हम भारतवासियों को अहिंसा का पाठ पढ़ाया था और अंततः लंबे संघर्ष के बाद हमें 15 अगस्त 1947 में आजादी मिली। हम बहुत भाग्यशाली हुए क्योंकि हमारे पूर्वजों ने हमें सुख और शांति की धरती दी। यहाँ पर हम बिना डरे रह सकते हैं। हमारा देश आज तकनीकी, शिक्षा, खेल, वित्त ऐसे कई दूसरे क्षेत्र में आगे बढ़ रहा है, विकास कर रहा है और मानव विज्ञान में समृद्ध देशों में एक भारत है। और ओलंपिक, कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स, एशियन गेम्स जैसे सारे कई क्षेत्रों में हमारा देश मुख्य रूप से आगे बढ़ रहा है। हमें अपनी सरकार चुनने का पूरा अधिकार है, आजादी है और हम दुनिया में से सबसे बड़े लोकतंत्र का इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं। हम भारत के जिम्मेदार नागरिक होने के नाते हमें कौन सी भी परिस्थिति का सामना करने के लिए हमेशा तैयार रहना चाहिए। कुछ नशा है, कुछ नशा ये तिरंगे की आन का है, कुछ नशा ये मातृभूमि के मान का है। हम लहराएंगे हर जगह ये तिरंगा, नशा है हिंदुस्तान की शान का है। मैं भारत वर्ष का अमिट रूप से सम्मान करता हूँ, यहाँ की मिट्टी का गुणगान करता हूँ। सीने पर गोली खाने वाले, हंसते हंसते मरने वाले, तुझे प्रणाम करता हूँ। कुछ नसीब में वो लोग जो वतन पर मिट जाते हैं, मरकर भी वो लोग अमर हो जाते हैं। करता हूँ तुम्हें सलाम, ए वतन पर मिटने वालों, तुम्हारी हर रात में तिरंगे का नसीब बचता है। जो अब तक ना खोला वो खून नहीं पानी है, जो देश की काम आए वो बेकार की जवानी है। इतनी सी बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, रोशनी होगी चिरागों को जलाए रखना। लहू देकर की है जिसकी हिफाजत हमने, ऐसे तिरंगे को हमेशा दिल में बताए रखना। आजादी की कभी शान नहीं होने देंगे, शहीदों की कुर्बानी कभी बदनाम नहीं होने देंगे। बची हो जो एक बूंद भी लोगों की, तब तक भारत माता का आंचल नीलाम नहीं होने देंगे, भारत माता का आंचल नीलाम नहीं होने देंगे। जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Ruturaj. Now presenting Hindi poem by Cadet Atharv Saxena from Standard 7.
Cadets, parents, and guests. Kindly pin Atharva Saxena. Yes, Atharv.
सुप्रभात आदरणीय प्रधान आचार्य जी, माननीय शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्यारे मित्रों। मैं कैडेट अथर्व सक्सेना अनुक्रमांक 76 आपके सामने एक स्वर रचित कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ। इस कविता का शीर्षक है आओ आज फहराए तिरंगा। आओ आज फहराए तिरंगा, गाए गीत आजादी के, खुशी मनाए नाचे गाए जश्न मनाए आजादी के। आओ आज फहराए तिरंगा, गाए गीत आजादी के, खुशी मनाए नाचे गाए जश्न मनाए आजादी के। याद करे उनकी कुर्बानी, नमन करे मिलजुल कर, जिनने किया सर्वत्र न्यौछावर पाने इस आजादी को। आओ आज फहराए तिरंगा, गाए गीत आजादी के, खुशी मनाए नाचे गाए जश्न मनाए आजादी के। आंख गड़ाए चीन है बैठा, पाक भी बैठा पाने को, दोनों छोर में दुश्मन बैठे ललचाए और धाक जमाने को। हमने भी ये ठाने रखा, हमने भी ये मान रखा, देखे तुम में कितना दम, देखे तुम में कितना दम। बाजुओं को सख्त करके आओ दो दो हाथ करे, फिर फहराए तिरंगा उन पर मान करे आजादी का। आओ आज फहराए तिरंगा, गाए गीत आजादी के, खुशी मनाए नाचे गाए जश्न मनाए आजादी के। जय हिंद।
Thank you, Atharv. Cadet Tasleem Sikalgar from class 6 and Cadet Ronnie Takkar from class 7 will garner the attention to their live painting. Cadet Tasleem Sikalgar from class 6.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Taslim Shikalgar. I am studying in 6th standard. Today we are celebrating 74th Independence Day. So I am presenting live painting. Thank you.
Thank you, Tasneem. How nicely you have displayed your talent. Now moving to next, Cadet Ronit Agrawal presenting live painting. Ronit Agrawal.
Cadets, parents, and guests, kindly pin Dr. Varsha Agrawal for the performance of Ronit Agrawal. Everyone, kindly pin Dr. Varsha Agrawal.
A warm good morning to one and all present over here. Honorable Principal Sir, learned teachers, and all my dear friends. Today, I, Cadet Ronit Kapil Agrawal, roll number 35, is presenting a quilling art. On this occasion, we should celebrate it with an artistic way. Thank you.
Thank you, Alex. India is the largest democratic country in the world. The country's strength is to find unity in diversity, which reflects the true spirit of Indian democracy. With this, I would like to invite the staff of Team Tadovian of Sainik School Chandrapur for their patriotic skit display.
सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा, जन्मभूमि पर हमारी शान से करेंगे हम, सभी को गाए गाए प्यार से रखेंगे हम, हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा।
Volume off.
Thank you, staff of Sainik School Chandrapur. Freedom and power bring responsibility. Said by Jawaharlal Nehru. I take my immense pleasure in inviting Squadron Leader Naresh Kumar, Principal, Sainik School Chandrapur, an honorable apostle of valor and virtues to deliver the Independence Day speech. Please, sir.
Happy Independence Day to one and all. To dear cadets, their parents, honorable guests, among them today's guest of honor are Ajinkyans, the ex-students of Sainik School Satara, who has honored us, who had given us this privilege to witness today's ceremony. The guests watching this program online, I wish a happy Independence Day to one and all. On this day, as you all know, we got freedom after more than 200 years of British rule. Before that also, we were having various kingdoms. And on this day of 15 August 1947, as you all know, that we became free, independent country. The independence was not free. It caused lot of lives. Our great leaders, our great freedom fighters laid their life to give us this freedom. Now it is our duty to keep this freedom free from everything, whether it is demography, it is religion, it is poverty, it is external elements, antisocial elements. From all these things, it is our duty that we have to keep our freedom free. Then only we will become. Now also we are independent, but in true sense, we will become independent when we just in the last event of Unity in Diversity, the staff of this school has displayed the unity by means of their performance. We also in the country need to do the same thing. Today, the entire world, including ourselves, facing a great challenge of corona pandemic. This challenge has made our life on hold. The 15 August events would have been a great performance by our cadets, but we missed them today. Because of the ongoing pandemic situation in the country, the schools are closed and we could not arrange the live program. However, the Team Tadovian, the hard work, the dedication by them and the determination to arrange the program by any means, it is Team Tadovian that we decided, okay, we will celebrate it through virtual means. And I am very grateful to the dear cadets and their parents. They took this time, they worked hard under the guidance of their parents as well as teachers from this school and presented such a nice program. Though it was through virtual means, through internet, there are always chances of lot many disturbances by means of virtual display. However, with very limited technical glitches, the program has been performed very nicely, presented in a true professional manner, like a disciplined soldier. I am sure everybody witnessed and everybody will appreciate the efforts put in by the cadets and the staff of this school. Now on this day, since today all our parents, all our cadets and distinguished guests are available here, I would like to highlight certain things about the school. As you all know, the school started last year with the admission of class 6 only. This year, we had taken admission of class 6 as well as class 9. Accordingly, today we have 3 classes, 6, 7 and 9 with the strength of 270 cadets. Our admission process, since the schools were closed, boys were not allowed to come. We started with the permission of Sainik School Society. We started online admissions. And with the admissions, we had already started the online classes for class 6 as well as for class 9 also. For class 9, the online classes were going on since May itself. From 3rd August onwards, we started the online classes of 6 and 9, the new entrance also. In this year, the another feature in our CAP is the admission of girls. In class 6, the school has taken admission of girls also. Online classes are being conducted in very effective manner and maximum cadets are attending them. In addition to that, various online events, various competitions such as painting competition, dramatic competition, drawing competition, debate, quiz also we had conducted by means of virtual technology. Technology today, earlier we used to say that mobiles are not allowed in school. Today the schools are on mobile and the technology is proving boon for us today. In our classes, we had provided internet to each and every classroom. Though today we are having 3 classes, so we have activated 3 only, but others are also connected on internet. So as and when we will require, we can immediately come live on that. You can see, and parents who visited earlier to this school, that lot of construction was going on. Yes, still it is going on. However, I would like to intimate you that more than 85% construction has already been completed. The requirement of cadets with respect to the infrastructure requirement has been completed. Everything is ready. Sports ground are also ready. Some of the grounds which are under final catching up because of rainy season, some work is still outstanding and it will be completed soon. Otherwise, rest infrastructure, including hostel, mess, classes, sports ground, everything is ready and school is progressing in the right direction. Presently, we have very limited staff, the limited number of teachers that causes a worry to the parents that how they will be able to conduct the classes effectively for so many cadets. Let me assure you that for last 15 days also, with this limited number of teachers, of just 5 teachers, one is shortly joining us, 6 teachers, we are conducting classes effectively since morning 8:30 to 1:30 every day. For class 6, we are conducting 2 live classes every day. For class 7 also 2 live classes, and for class 9, 4 live classes we are conducting on daily basis. In addition to that, 2 live classes, rest 4 classes on daily basis. For 6, 7, we are conducting for assignment classes. There also our teachers are monitoring them. They are virtually available for clearing their doubts. Parents need not to worry about this, that limited number of teachers. No, the number doesn't matter. It matters the will, the dedication, and the determination. The team Sainik School is determined, and we have a strong will that during this pandemic, where we are unable to recruit the new teachers, new staff, till then we will work overnight, we will work day and night, and we will stand before you, and we will not let you down, that your wards are getting effective and true education by all means. We will work very hard. We are working very hard, and future also we will continue working very hard. When we also hope that shortly the cadets join us. We miss them very much. When they will join, every facility, each and everything will be available for them. We are determined for them. We had already worked and we are already working for that. I just need patience and support from parents. Yes, this virtual means we are conducting classes, we are working hard, but I need parents and the cadets also to pay full attention towards these classes. Not only classes, since we are conducting our extracurricular activities. Cadets to participate in these, each and every activity, show the talent what you have shown. Though this talent, only the selected one were displayed today. However, for this selection also, we took and guided all the cadets to forward their art, forward their talent. Out of that, we selected few, thereafter guided, prepared, and today we presented. Due to the time constraints, only the limited number of cadets were shown their performance. However, I am sure each and every cadet of this school having talent, and in future he will present his talent and he will come out with flying colors. At the school also, all like live painting, we have the art classes also, we have the dedicated art room also, where all the facilities are available. And when they will be joining a school, their further talent will be further flourished. Music, every facility is available. Shortly, last year also we had the music teacher. In future also we will be having the music and dance teacher who will be providing training. Each and every activity, each and every talent of a person who is inbound talent will be flourished, will be explored further, and our team will make them to stand and present himself in front of the world as a leader. We are preparing here leaders, and I am sure everybody will come out with leaders. The infrastructure of this school is wonderful. The same way, the talent what we are getting is also wonderful. Our duty to flourish that talent, and I assure you on this day that we will do that flourishment of their talent, and we will make them the true citizen of this country. Not taking much time, once again, I sincerely thank you to Ajinkians who are here today to witness our program and to guide us for future development of this school, as well as our cadets, as you all are the cadets of the first Sainik school of this country. So you are the best person to guide us that this thing can also be done, and we will take your suggestions in a right spirit and we will try to implement them. I am very grateful to Dr. Saab who is here today with us. Sir, keep coming us, keep guiding us, and help. In the past also, he had helped us in keeping the health and hygiene of our cadets at the most important thing to be looked after. And we, by taking his guidance, will ensure that during the past 1 year when the cadets were here, none of them had suffered any major illness. I am very happy to announce this thing also, that during last 5-6 months of this pandemic, none of our cadet has suffered or has come in contact with this type of pandemic. I thank you to each one of cadet and their parents for taking proper care, proper precautions against this deadly virus. And hope in future also they will take care of their health and they will maintain and follow the standard guidelines to keep this virus away from themselves, so that they can join this school as soon as announced by the government for relaxation is granted. Once again, by remembering the martyrs of our country, the freedom fighters, the great leaders who has given us this platform, paying my homage to them. Once again, I wish each one of you happy Independence Day. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you so much, sir, for enlightening us with your valuable words. Gratitude is the mother of all virtues. Gratitude is the mother of all virtues. To extend our gratitude to everyone who made this program a grand success, I take my pleasure in inviting officiating Senior Master Dr. Arun Ashok, Son Kamble, Sainik School, Chandpur, to propose the vote of thanks. So please.
आजादी की शाम कभी होने नहीं देंगे, आजादी की शाम कभी नहीं होने देंगे, शहीदों की कुर्बानी कभी बदनाम नहीं होने देंगे, शहीदों की कुर्बानी कभी बदनाम नहीं होने देंगे। बची हो जो आखिरी लहू, बची हो जो आखिरी लहू, तब तक भारत माता का अंचल कभी बदनाम नहीं होंगे, तब तक भारत माता का अंचल कभी बदनाम नहीं होने देंगे। 74वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस के अवसर पर सभी भारतवासियों को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। सैनिक स्कूल चंद्रपुर के द्वारा आयोजित स्वतंत्रता दिवस के अवसर पर सम्मानित अतिथि हमारी माता जैसी स्नेह देने वाली श्रीमती परमेश्वरी देवी जी, हमारी एकमात्र छात्रा यहाँ पर उपस्थित है, जो 270 छात्राओं में से एक छात्रा उपस्थित है प्रातिनिधिक रूप में। उनका भी सैनिक स्कूल चंद्रपुर की ओर से नाम दृष्टि कक्षा 6 नवागत छात्रा है, उनका भी हार्दिक आभार, जिन्होंने इस कार्यक्रम को सफल बनाने के लिए विगत 15 दिनों से हमें मार्गदर्शन एवं निर्देशन करने वाले, हर काम को अपने हाथ में लेने वाले। अगर किसी कर्मचारी को मानो उसमें नहीं आता है कुछ, तो भी स्वयं जो अपने नाम के अनुसार स्क्वाड्रन लीडर, पथक नेता, जो बिल्कुल अकादमिक हो, प्रशासनिक हो, स्कूल को अपने जिगर के टुकड़े के समान पालने वाले सम्माननीय प्रधानाचार्य स्क्वाड्रन लीडर नरेश कुमार जी, इनका आभार। सैनिक स्कूल चंद्रपुर सातारा के पूर्व छात्र एवं उनका परिवार, अन्य सभी अतिथि, इनका तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं। सबसे महत्वपूर्ण जो प्रस्तुतिकरण देने वाले, इस कार्यक्रम की शोभा बढ़ाने वाले, जिनके बिना यह कार्यक्रम नहीं हो सकता, हमारे प्यारे प्रतिभागी छात्र, जो सांस्कृतिक गतिविधियों में अपना नाम कुछ ही दिनों में हमारे प्रधानाचार्य जी हो और अध्यापक गण हो, उनके निर्देशन में काम करने वाले सभी प्रतिभागी छात्र एवं अंतर्जाल के माध्यम से जुड़े हुए सभी उपस्थित छात्र, इस कार्यक्रम को सफल बनाने वाले क्वार्टर मास्टर सेक्शन नौशाद सर और उनकी पूरी टीम, प्रशासनिक कर्मचारी जिनके बिना यह कार्यक्रम नहीं हो सकता, सभी प्रशासनिक कर्मचारी, कार्यक्रम की और शोभा बढ़ाने वाले, ये जो माइक है, ये जो पूरा बनकर खड़ा हुआ है, ये बैठने के लिए हमें कुर्सियां है, आसन की व्यवस्था करने वाले सभी सामान्य कर्मचारी, सैनिक स्कूल चंद्रपुर के सभी कर्मचारियों का परिवार यहाँ पर पूरे जोर के साथ उपस्थित है, उनका भी तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा। मंच संचालिका अत्यंत अपने सुरीली आवाज में ज्ञानवर्धक मंच संचालन करने वाली हमारी सहयोगी अध्यापिका प्रीति रानी जी, सभी अध्यापकगण, इन सब के प्रति अगर कुछ बचा हो, ज्ञात अज्ञात लोगों का कुछ नाम बचा हो तो मैं सारी गलतियां मुझ पर लेता हूं। एक और बात है, अभिभावकों का भी इस कार्यक्रम में उपस्थित होने के लिए हार्दिक आभार। अधिक समय न लेते हुए कार्यक्रम का अंतिम दौर समाप्त होता है। सभी के प्रति आभार। सभी अतिथियों को नम्र अनुरोध है कि जलपान की सुविधा की गई है, जलपान का आस्वाद लें। धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, sir. This is last but not least. I would like to share a few quotes related to the ceremony. इतनी सी बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, इतनी सी बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, रोशनी होगी चिरागों को जलाए रखना। लहू देकर कि जिसकी हिफाजत हमने, लहू देकर की हिफाजत जिसकी हमने, ऐसे तिरंगे को सदा अपनी आंखों में बसाए रखना, बसाए रखना। जय हिंद, जय भारत। Now I request you all, please move for high tea. Thank you.
Announce all the very much projects and